In this video, I will show you how to create a backup of your Outlook emails in MS Excel automatically. So what will happen? Every time a new email is received in your Outlook account, the same email along with all the details will be added automatically in MS Excel. In this way, one can keep a track record of all the important emails of Outlook directly from the MS Excel itself. Now you must be thinking how I am going to automate this process. So I am going to build an integration, build a connection in Outlook and MS Excel application with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And here I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Okay, and once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and firstly provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am going to provide the name something like when new email is received in Outlook, auto add email details in Excel. Okay, let me also create the spelling of auto. Okay, after that I will click on create, and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, and according to our use case, whenever a new email is received in Outlook account, okay, so instead of Outlook I will select this Microsoft 365 application, then automatically add the emails in Excel application. Okay, so let me search for the Microsoft Excel application. Okay, so I have selected the trigger and the action application as Outlook and Microsoft Excel, basically 365 and Microsoft Excel. Okay, now the idea here is I am going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect, but before that, firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new email. Okay, so read the instructions. Triggers when a new message is received. Okay, so as soon as a new email is received in Outlook 365, the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect, for which I will have to build a connection. So click on add new connection, click on connect with Microsoft 365, and then you will have to provide the access of your 365 account, access of your Outlook account. Okay, I have built this connection so many times, so I am going with the existing connection. But if you are building this connection for the first time, you will always have to go with the new connection only, and after that you can also go with the existing connection. Now here you can see disconnected, and as soon as I'll click on this button, you will notice that the most recent email details will be collected via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. Here you can see we have the subject line as feedback of mattress. Okay, let us check whether we have the same recent email or not, and yes, we have the same. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and let me even show you the subject line, I'm sorry, not the subject line, the email content. Alright, so here we have the content that is hello, I would like to place a refund for the mattress which I have ordered last week, thanks. Okay, and here you can notice it is the same content. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in between Pabbly Connect and Microsoft Outlook is working absolutely fine. Now in front of you I am going to send an email on this specific account, and then I will click on that button once again, and you will notice how the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to open completely a new account into a different tab, and here I will send an email. Basically from here I will send an email to that specific account. Okay, the subject line will be feedback. Okay, and here I will write the email address. Now I am going to send this email. The message has been sent going back to my Outlook account. Let me first refresh and wait for that new email to be arrived, and as soon as the new email is received, I'll click on that button. Alright, where is that email? I'll have to wait for that. and yes, we have received that email. Let me show you. Here you can see it is the same subject line and the content. Now I will be clicking on this button save and send test request once again, and you will notice this time in the body preview section the same content is received. Okay, that is, hello, I have placed an order of mattress specifically for my back pain, and I would like to tell you that I have a relief in my back and I'm feeling much better. That is why I have decided to keep the mattress and cancel the refund policy. Okay, so here you can notice we have received the email, and let me show you, it is the same email. Okay, so this is how as soon as you will receive a new email in your Outlook account, the same email details will be received via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because the trigger here is the polling based, which will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so the first step is done. Now I want to save these email details in MS Excel, so the application is already selected. I just need to select the action event, that is add row to worksheet, and just like we have connected Pabbly Connect and Microsoft Office 365, now I will build the connection in Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on this button and then again provide the access of your Microsoft Excel application. Okay, but again here also I will go with the existing connection, so that is why I have clicked on save, and here you will notice that my Microsoft Excel account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Here you can see it is connected, and since we are connected, whatever the workbooks I have created into my Excel account have started visible here. Okay, so currently I will select this backup of important emails, this specific workbook. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is backup of important emails. Okay, in the sheet 1 I have a single sheet only which has got selected automatically. Here you can notice the worksheet is selected automatically. Now whatever the columns I have added into my Excel sheet, the same column names are visible here in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. You can notice the same. Okay, the sender name, the sender email, the subject line and the email content, and these are the same columns. Okay, so I just need to provide the details one by one, and this is how I will be able to save the data. Now from where I am going to provide the details. Okay, so remember we have just received the data into our previous step, and I don't even need to manually copy that data and paste it here. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So firstly let me search for the sender name, which was Pabbly. I remember here you can notice email address name. Okay, so I have mapped it. Asking for the sender email, so again I am mapping the sender email address. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. I am repeating this again, that these details which I am mapping will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, and just in case if I will provide any data manually here, this data will remain same. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Now I just need to click on this button save and send test request, and this is how you will see the data will be updated into MS Excel. Okay, fingers crossed, and here you can see the response is received. Going back to my Excel spreadsheet, and let me first refresh my Excel sheet and wait for the data to be updated. And here you can notice on row number 2nd the details have been added automatically. Let me show you. Okay, let me correct the formatted so that you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so this is the sender name, the sender email address, the subject line, and we even have the email. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time you will receive a new email in your Outlook account, the details will be added into MS Excel. But let me tell you a very important thing. According to this automation, what will happen? every single email will be saved in MS Excel, but I just want to save only specific kind of emails. Okay, I do not want to add all kind of emails. So how I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect? Well, it is very simple. Before and after this step, basically in the mid of these two steps, simply add a filter condition. Well, filter is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can apply different kinds of condition within your workflow, within your automation. And here I will define the condition as that if my email consists of such kind of words, then only this automation should be proceed. And when this automation will proceed, what should be the next step? Basically it should add the details in MS Excel. Okay, and just in case if that condition is going to be false, in that case the automation will stop here only. Okay, so in this select label, firstly I will search for the subject line. Okay, and then I will search for the body of the email by simply adding the or condition. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is body. Okay, so here is the body. If any of these things, basically if my subject line or the body of the email contains the word like, okay, let me first select the word, that is filter type, that is contains. If any of these contains the word like feedback, and again I will click on this or condition 2 more times, and again I am going to set the same condition, one on the subject line. Okay, so let me search for the same, and one on the body of the email. Okay, let me search for the same. So if again any of these two contains the word like, and this time I am going to define some other word, something like mattress. Okay, so in that case if any of the condition is satisfied, what will happen? This step will be true, the condition will be true, and our automation will execute further. Okay, so let me show you. If I'll click on the save and send test request button, the condition is going to be true because our subject line actually contains the word like feedback. Okay, so if the condition is true, what will happen? The next step will be executed automatically. But if any of the condition is false, in that case our automation will stop here only. Okay, so this is how you can add the specific kind of emails only. You can create a backup of only important emails into your MS Excel spreadsheet, and in this way you can create this automation very easily with the Pabbly Connect. You just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. After that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach this link into my description box. Simply click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.